Welding 101 once again. Hey, we got Sal this time. Sal's teaching. All right. There we go. Okay, it's Mr. G. It's Welding 101, and we're about to reveal a weld that Joe did. All right, here we go. Ready? Oh, look at that. Dude. Here we go. Nice. All right. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to finish welding it, and then we're going to break it in the vise. Welding 101. Here we go. Wait, hold on. Okay, excellent work. This is a success, but you see where it started to crack? Once it cracks, it goes through that weld. You can see the heat effect zone. You see where it ended is where that started. Cool? All right, okay. That's pretty good. Nice. All right, it kind of held. Yeah, but you can see where, you can see where the crack started. Yeah. Okay, here we go, here we go. Go ahead. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, yeah. You know what's funny?
I was able to really bend that one good before it came apart.
Absolutely. Yeah. That, in my eyes, it passed.
Yeah.
But what's interesting is that you got it and you shocked it at some point and it cracked all the way across.
Yeah.
Wow. 2, 1. Whoa! Watch out! Oh my God! Whoa! Damn! Okay, I think she's dead. It's Metal Supermarket, let's do this! Oh no! He's learning, people. Yeah, hit it all the way down. Nice. Okay. Look at this. Excellent work. It only started to split in some areas. Oh, is the vise broken? Good.
Oh yeah, cracked.
Good. I think the weld passed. It's underneath there somewhere. That's awesome. Look, it didn't break. Yeah. Did you find it? Finish it. Finish it. There you go. There you go. That's good. That's good. Let me see. Let me just see this. I think it passed. Look at that. Just a little bit, but it held.